So you managed to get yourself a PlayStation 5, huh? Well, that's pretty cool and all, but look at that. You see this cable right here? You see how you just have your controllers laying all out? What about your games? Where do you have your games? You just have them sitting on top of your, what is that, a VCR? You just put your games on your VCR, huh? You got a problem here. You're all messy. What if I told you there's a way to clean that up? With this charging stand with cooling fan for the PlayStation 5. Keep all your games, put your controllers there, have a good time. Here is a look at the box that I'm about to open up. This is a charging stand with cooling fan. So there's about 3 different uses I can see that you could want to have going on for this. You want to contain your controllers and charge them. You want to keep your system cool, and or you want to contain all of your games. Now, alongside having the charging, it also has 3 USBs as like a built-in hub. It of course has the fan. It has Type-C charging docks because that's what these controllers use. Very glad about that. And then it has the storage bracket, which for the games, which is actually retractable, so you can add or take away different numbers of games. It supports the digital and the disc version, and I have the disc version, and I will be showing that off and telling you all about how that works, which I believe is actually what the removable accessory thing is. But first, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Wow, I'm so good with one hand. And here it is. Not a lot of accessories or frills with it. You know, pretty straightforward. This is where you put the system. This is where you put the controllers. Then if we turn it, this, and again, retractable, this is where the games come from. And you can load them all up and pull this out just like so, which actually pretty cool. You can hold a lot. Oh, and of course the USBs. The cable is secured, do not rattle around. I guess it could cause damage. What looks like chewing gum, maybe. Don't know what this is. That was a joke, by the way. This isn't gum. The important thing is to actually put the PlayStation on here. So I'm going to actually put the PlayStation on here. Now I can only assume that this little part right here comes off and is where the bigger PlayStation model, the one with the disk drive, will sit. So I'm going to remove that. It's pretty easy. As you can tell, it fits in pretty snug, and you just kind of plug that cable in. Any cables on the front or the back or anything like that, so I'm assuming that this cable is for power to be able to make this whole thing run. And the controllers just kind of slot in. I'll see if I can actually take them out and put them in with one hand. They're kind of tugged in there because, you know, there's an actual, like, plug that goes into them. Yeah, no, I don't want to break anything. I'm gonna stop. If you're moving this around any, I guess it seems like it's pretty secure, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh my god, he did it. He opened the game drive. And here's all the games that I have that'll play on the PS5. Looks pretty cool, huh? So for me personally, I really like that this is just very stylish. I like that this holds everything together and keeps them all organized. I don't actually know how much it needs this fan to have, though I'm sure it's probably not bad to have extra cooling if you need it. But I really just like the organization and style of being able to have everything together and keep everything neat. But if you don't like the style of it, I actually have something else that you might want to use. Actually, just store all your stuff in a big envelope. That was a joke. There's stuff in the envelope. If you already have everything set up with your console how you like it or your games, but maybe you still want to have something nice to charge your controllers. Here is a charging dock for the PlayStation 5. Here it is. This is what it looks like before you do anything with controllers. And then here's how it looks whenever you actually put controllers on it. Pretty nice and very functional. If you're wanting to change things up with how you have your PlayStation set up, whether you need to charge 2 controllers at once, or you want the whole big old keep your games together with your controllers, then have all these extra features like the USBs, you can go with this option. Or of course, if you want something lighter, we have this. And that's really it for this video. These were sent out to me for review. They were not paying me to take a look at this. I am just looking at it because I thought they were cool and figured that you guys might want to see them. If you have any questions about either of these, please feel free to let me know and I will do my best to answer them. And until the next one, take care. Goodbye.